Welcome to a quick tutorial on agency recruiting. From the home page, this option will be available if you are an agency admin, a recruiting admin, or an agency recruiter. On the left, we can open the agency recruiting module. You'll notice the recruiting dashboard. This shows you summary statistics across your agency, including the number of contacts added to the system each month and year, and a breakdown of those active contacts. How are they assigned across your recruiting team? Below that is a current status on all of the contacts or recruits currently in the system for your agency. Next is recruiting leads. This is a full contact list of everyone who has completed your agency contact card or you've added manually. We can pull up any record from this screen to open up the details. Notice we see the name, a full breakdown of all the details added, and we can add comments into the system. It's worth noting that any comment added is automatically emailed to the assigned recruiter. And from this screen, we can also add any additional details or edit current details for the contact. Going back, we can go to the recruiter view, the only difference being now we filtered and we're only seeing contacts that are assigned to the logged in user. So from here, same functionality, open any record, edit details, add comments. And records are added here either by manually adding a contact or recruiting lead from your admin side, or from the public. If they go into your agency profile, they can complete the contact card at the bottom. That is a quick tutorial on the agency recruiting module. If you have any questions, feel free to go to the support page.